Now, 2 doctors assigned to the Kingston Public Hospital have tested positive for the coronavirus. Confirmation came from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton this afternoon. Kirk Wright has the details.
Operations at the Kingston Public Hospital have been scaled down since 2 doctors at the facility tested positive for the coronavirus. The Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the protocol has since been effected and that deep cleaning and contact tracing have started.
It's not unusual. I mean, it has happened in other hospitals before, and it is something that we plan for, but it does create some downtime, some anxieties for obvious reasons.
We've also been informed that the hospital has cancelled elective surgeries and are now only attending to emergency cases. The health minister declined to say how the doctors were exposed and what period. But we've also learned that other doctors and hospital staff who came in contact with a COVID positive patient are awaiting their positive test results. That patient, a male we understand, came to the hospital with gunshot wound but subsequently died on Wednesday. All the persons who came in contact with the patient have been sent home to self-quarantine pending their test result. This week, an administrative staff at the Ministry of Health tested positive and had to be treated.
That person is being treated, and the work environment is being assessed to ensure that all else is well. But that person is not based in any hospital, just within the Ministry of Health administrative arrangements.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.